Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
If your Samsung Emoji keyboard stops showing emoji, resetting restores default behavior. This process fixes frozen emoji, missing emoji, and odd predictions. It removes custom words, learned phrases, and keyboard cache data. The reset does not remove system apps or user accounts on the phone. Use this method when toggles, restarts, or app updates do not fix the emoji issue. Open Settings on your Samsung phone and scroll to General Management. Tap Samsung Keyboard Settings to view keyboard options and personalization features. Locate Reset to Default Settings and tap that option to begin the reset. Confirm the action by tapping Reset once when the confirmation dialog appears. If emojis still fail, open Settings, then Apps, then Samsung Keyboard, and clear data from storage. After the reset, open any messaging app and tap the emoji key to verify emoji return. If emoji remain missing, check for system or keyboard updates in Settings and install them. Reboot the phone after updates to ensure changes apply. If problems persist, consider clearing keyboard cache and data from apps' Samsung keyboard storage. Backup custom phrases before resetting by exporting any personal dictionary entries manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.